Cleansing with fire. Understanding the metaphor. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, cleanse with fire. This phrase is not only interesting but also a great example of how English uses metaphors. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, origin, and how to use it effectively in conversation. So, let's dive in. Cleansing with fire is a phrase that often appears in literature and conversation. At its core, it's a metaphor. This means it uses the idea of cleaning or purifying something with fire to represent a deeper, often more abstract concept. Typically, it implies a form of transformation or renewal, the idea that something old or impure is burned away, leaving room for new growth or change. To fully appreciate cleanse with fire, it's helpful to know where it comes from. This phrase has roots in various cultural and religious contexts. For example, in some religions, fire is seen as a purifying element. In history, the idea of burning fields to promote new growth in agriculture was common. These historical and cultural uses have shaped the metaphorical meaning we use today. In modern English, cleanse with fire is used in various contexts, from literature to daily conversation. Let's look at a few examples. In a literary context, an author might use it to describe a character's transformation after a challenging experience. In everyday conversation, someone might say, "The company needs to be cleansed with fire," implying that it needs significant changes or restructuring. Using cleanse with fire correctly requires understanding its metaphorical nature. It's best used in situations that involve significant change or renewal. However, remember that it's a powerful expression and should be used thoughtfully, especially considering its historical and cultural connotations. That's it for our exploration of cleanse with fire. This phrase is a great example of English's rich metaphorical language. It encapsulates transformation, renewal, and change. We hope this video has enlightened you on this intriguing phrase and that you feel more comfortable using it in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.